Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Algolia Instant Search UI for responsive layouts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your project where Algolia will be integrated. Ensure that you have installed the necessary packages for Algolia Instant Search UI. Import the required components from Algolia's Instant Search library. Set up a basic HTML structure for your search UI. Create the main container for the search. Add an input field for search queries. Include a results container to display the search results. Style your HTML elements using CSS to ensure responsive behavior. Use CSS media queries to adjust the layout for different screen sizes. Create a function to initialize the Algolia search client. Configure the search index by providing your Algolia application ID and search-only API key. Connect your search box to the search client using the appropriate instant search component. Set up a hits component to display the results from your search. Use an appropriate template to format how each hit will be presented. Implement a pagination component to help users navigate through multiple search results. Test the default layout on various devices to ensure responsiveness. Address any layout issues that arise, making adjustments in your CSS as necessary. Incorporate additional features, such as filters or sorting options, to enhance the search experience. Regularly update your Algolia index to reflect any changes in your data. Conduct user testing to ensure the UI is intuitive and user-friendly. Finalize your responsive configuration by refining styles and components as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.